rubber. Custom, you know, see them, I just come. The six them full of me a custom. Yeah, man. The six them full of me a custom. Then, I'm done. Yeah, custom whip, man up sugar. And a tough gun, and it's in the chase drum. And a lion, six brother, when I just cut them. Yo, who the gas them, a musty pet cup. Me catch you next level fever, me have this thing cup. You know, now man like dogs in just 6 minutes. I did, that time me in cup. And the six them, after that one laugh on the butt. Yeah, talk to me nice, fit the punches, bro, gut check the price. Watch out, watch it. Man, I creep up on them, get the tech, the six like next level, six level. When they on the higher I6, real combined.
Yo. Yeah, and I don't know, you know, at the Rave Trap Lord, Trap Yard Entertainment. Yeah. And I don't know how the thing going on. Make sure say if you not subscribe to the page. If you not subscribe, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification. And I don't know how. So next story time. Yeah, and watch you know. Remember me I telling you about the virgin there. I mean I showing you say the virgin. Yeah man, watch it, my thing tie up like, you know. So yeah, remember me I telling you say the virgin almost take 3 man, but she take 2. Yeah, that's the story there. So yo, getting yourself ready now man. As I said, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. You see me, turn on the post notification, you see me? And when the reactions to the videos, drop it in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section. You see me? I say, yeah. So, before me start the story again, one more thing. Big up New York. You see me? I say, yeah. Big up Queens, New York. You see me? I say, big up Southside, New York. Yeah, straight. You don't know. Southside, I grew up here, man. Big up the Rockaways. Big up Beasley. Big up Guyborough. Big up, you know, Rosedale. You know what I mean? Big up Linden, Murdoch, Farmers. You know what I mean? Big up the whole New York, man. Yo, big up on yourself. Big up everybody we know me too. You see me I say? Yeah. Big up your damn self. High five. So, back to the video. So, as I say, remember in the previous video, I showing you say, I grew up here, you know? Yeah, early teenage years, I even went to high school here, you know? So, this story, like the previous one, is within the same time frame of me going to high school here. So, you know, tell you about this virgin girl. Yeah. So, how me became familiar now with this virgin girl was the day before the story I'm about to tell you. I met this girl with one of my friends, and as I said, I not call her name. So the initial I'm going to use for that friend is C. Yeah, C. I remember me telling say in another video that to me have 2 brethren where them man they always have the free crib. And guess what? And them 2 man I'm a fire with today. You see me I say? C and J. Yeah. Them man they always have the free crib. If I not C, a J have the free crib. So yeah. So people, when me initially see this girl with C, it look like C and the girl in a relationship. You know, like him a skit. Yeah, it look like him a do that something there. So you know, nobody never really focus much on the girl. We just know so we see her. You know, nice stickers. You know, she wasn't bad looking. You know, nice thick girl. You know. Nice big burst them to one thing, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Nice stickers you know, yard man them. Love me stickers them. Yeah. So seeing my boy C with the girl the day before, that's how I knew her. So now, the next morning, on my way to school, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm going to say big up Queens, big up the Rockaways, you know what I mean? I was coming from the Rockaways because I used to live at the Rockaways at the time. So, you know, I had to catch the Q6 bus. Yeah, man, big up the Q6 bus. Zoom! Run road, you see it? Yeah. So, coming from the Rockaways. On the Q6 bus, I recognized a familiar face. That familiar face was of this girl. The virgin to be. Yeah. So, you know, I acknowledge her because I see her already. And I see her with my boy, you know. So, I acknowledge her. So, shortly after that, she came and she sat beside me on the bus. So, you know, not think anything of it. So, I don't remember if my dad text my boy or me talk to him on the phone. And then right after that exactly she asked me where am I going. So I say, you know, I go to school, but I go link up with my boy Jay before we go to school, because you know before we go to school sometimes we don't link up, we don't smoke before we go to school, and then we just catch the bus together. Because you know we go to school together, we leave school together, we party together, just so we think whenever time we can roll like that, that's how we roll, you know, unless one man at their school or something where we not gonna roll like that, but that's how we roll, you see me? We always roll together, you see me? So, boom. You know when I tell her, say, you know, I go see Jay, she say, I want to go see Jay too, so I say, huh? Look like something in a something. Yeah. You know that something there look like something in a something, but never really much into it, you know. So I say, alright, you know, I will link up my boy and see if it's cool, you know, if you know me can bring you and thing. So I link up Jay and I say, yo, remember that cat there we see with C yesterday and thing? Yeah, I see her up on the bus, you know, and it look like she live on my side of town, and I make sure say, yo, I come give her a link, you know, and she say, yo, she want forward. And I say, yeah, yo, forward, bring it across. So, I'm not even make no long equation or type. I just I do what the boss I say right there now. Okay, right there now. Them and the place, them and the other boss. You see it? So boom. Get off of the bus. And because the ride wasn't that long, it was like a 10 minutes ride. And then we got off the bus, it was like a 5 minutes walk to my boy crib. So you know me and the little scratchy I walked to the crib. So got inside of the crib. You know, as usual, my boy I cook something, I make some food, I burn some herbs. You know what I mean? So go in the crib. I believe him did already have some herbs, or we did order some herbs, but whichever way I know say herbs are born in the early settings, the man that make some food and think. Yeah man, the man they always a cook, plus the man they a chef from where I go to school. The man they are probably still chef. Yo, big up your damn self, you know, Jay. Yeah man. Mad, you see me I say, yeah man. And the girl came, so you know me and them a talk and I say, yo, them and the girl and thing what go on. And I say, yo, yeah, them and the girl, but yo, she there in my place and outside anything. What? Anything. Yeah. I heard them right. So boom. I notice, you know, girl comfortable. Take off jeans, just in the underwear, go and wrap up in the man bed. And yeah, people, see this man here now? Jay, I don't know want to the man bed, but girls love the man bed. Yeah, the girls them love the man bed at the time. I tell the people when girl come at the man bed, they just want to go up on the man bed. So the thing set, I don't know why, you know, them never mind them go up on all the carpet to sometime. Yeah, tell you now. Girl, get comfortably in a man place. take off jeans, just in a so-so underwear. Yeah, she come for the chopping. She come for it. She come for the skeet, skeet, skeet. She come for the skeet, skeet, skeet. Me I tell her, she come for it. So, she get comfortable and I go on, make herself at home. Same time my boy I say, yo, give see a link. Make see know say yo forward on the ends. But don't make see know what I go on. So, I say, alright, I see the pray. I say another word in English. Link up C, me I tell him say, yo, forward on the ends. Yeah. General I say, yo, forward on the ends. And yo, I lay forward to your top and get some herbs, dog. I can't do it all the way, dog. We love to smoke, dog. Yeah, so, we did it and eventually see forward in, see forward that ends, ring up the buzzer, dog I say, yo, buzz in him, let him in. So, fly the gates. Yeah, fly the gates. I mean, see you walk in. Now hear me I say people call mine, we know. See no know say the girl there. And the girl don't know say see a forward. She don't know we already give see a link and make him know say yo forward. See don't know that this girl that we seen with yesterday is here. So boom. Him walk in and him see the girl. Yes, no, Spanish town. Yeah, you hear me I say? Man walk in. The man see him girl on bed. Well comfortable. Jeans pants fling off over so and she just wrap up on the sheet. I tell you, people, the girls, them love J-bed in a man, yo. When them come at them and the place and see them on the bed, them just want to sprawl out on bed, it like. From them see them on bed, them get dropsy. Them just, one piece of tiredness just come down upon them or one piece of burden or something. But when them see them on bed, they want to go in that man bed. Yeah. When they see them on bed, they want to go in that man bed. Say right now all that bed there, suppose you can take that bed there and put it up on the internet for sell and make money off it, because enough girl get beaten on the bed there, Yeah man, yo Jay, you have to find that bed there and put that bed there online for sale, dog. Yeah man, enough beaten go on that bed there. So yeah people. So the man walk in and the man I say, yo, what you do ya? What you doing here? Eh? What you doing here? The girl that look upon the man like, she don't know what she doing here. And then the man come and see what is supposed to be his girlfriend, well comfortable in the next virgin bed. Half naked. So the man I say, yo, what you do here? Talk to me. She don't know what to say, people. She don't know what to say at the time. I believe at the time she probably did listen to much Michael Jackson about Speechless. So in Speechless when the man come in there and catch him, cause she had try play a game pan our bridging, but you don't know. We are like piranhas at the time. You know what I mean? I was sharp. When I say sharp, people, master of culinary. Sharp. Yes, man. Sharp. Not even a fillet knife not sharp like with them time there. You hear me say not even a butcher's knife, not even if you broke one broke buckle right now, not sharp like with them time there. And me have to say them time there cause I really know about now still cause I think good to wash up you know and lily up you know cause long time I never no lyrics up nobody and chat no lyrics in no girl's ears and all the bad thing wicked yeah. Someone thing used to wicked you know. Yeah. So yeah. You know I made paper me I tell you no. We used to sharp them time there. Sharp. As we meet girl, skeet, skeet, skeet. Me I tell you. Them time there. All half an hour. We just meet a girl half an hour. Skeet, skeet, skeet. So easy. Yeah man. Them time the crease at the least. What me say? Crease at the least. My God, crease at the least. You hear me I tell the people. Yeah man. So boom. The man say yo, my girl, you like me? And the man is supposed to be your boyfriend. What the motive? She say yo, anything or anything. I mind your people. Man not tell you say this I know here's a virgin. Cause this is a real virgin. Cause I witness it for myself. You know what I mean? What did I witness? I witness the man them do them thing. I'm a witness, you know, some body fluids that I never really too entertained with. You know, I'm not too like the blood something. I'm not going to play up in that something. You know what I mean? And you know, being that she was virgin at the time, yeah, you know, she did do a little bleeding and thing, and I never really in that something there. So, you know, because you know when time the two man them do them thing, cause I believe all she too. She do the rotation thing with the two of them, you know, one man a beat it, one in her mouth, and then she just switch to. As I say, a virgin. And you won't believe she a virgin because how she a program, and I expect a virgin for program. So she a move like a long time she a do some porno. Well, I don't know if she didn't a porno still, but look like she did do porno movie. I tell you. Yeah, I tell you people. You know what I mean? And for the record, this girl was not forced. As I say, she said she want to go see my brother in jail. You know what I mean? So she come. And you know, the two man them do them thing. I never partake in that one day. You know what I mean? Because I never really like the blood something there. You know what I mean? I go mix up in the bodily fluid and them something. You know what I mean? So, you know? Yeah. The girl I try take one man for idiot like a next man. Come at the man place. And that she go on with. So me I say virgin. Virgin come and she almost take 3 man. You know what I mean? So as me say, to the lovely parents them out there too. You know, grow the girls them good man. Grow them good. Grow them good. You know, spend some time with them. Inform them well about sex. Educate them well about sex. You know what I mean? You know, about sexual explorations, sexual exploitations, you know what I mean? You know, certain sexual taboos and them stuff there. Now if you inform them and educate them because you know they might see things on social media, computer, hear things in a music and they want to experience these things and them now wait till them get old or be an adult where you know like you know real adult consent other than you know being teenagers growing up and yeah do them stuff because as I say you know at the time yeah we never really look into it as not, but now I know something where I go encourage and something where I go just get up and do now, you know what I mean? Yeah. So parents grow the daughters good. You know what I mean? Teach them. You know what I mean? Educate them about sex. Inform them. You know what I mean? Yeah. And remember, me telling you, anybody want put it to the test and show them say man sharp like a razor. A joke, man, but yeah, man, I'm saying at them time that we sharp though, but right now I don't even know how the thing set. You see me I say, but them time that we sharp you too sharp. Yeah, man, them time there, me I tell you, you don't want left none of your female relatives them round with you. Them time that we sharp. Your sister, your girl cousin, your auntie, and sharp all your grandmother gone too. Yeah. Yeah, man, so I tell on the paper that I story about the virgin. You know, I say she almost take 3 man. You know what I mean? But if you don't like the story, like the video, subscribe to the video. If you have a reaction to the video, drop your reaction in the comment section. You see me I say? Yeah. Drop the reaction in the comment section, and guess what? I'm gonna see you again with the next story or with the next skit. So subscribe to my page. Follow me on Instagram at 1revdem. At 1REVDEM. You see me I say? And you don't know. I Rev Trap Lord and a Trap Yard Entertainment. Stay blessed. I'm out.